I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we're out here giving you a weather report from the middle of the United States, right in the middle of Missouri. Today is the collab I do each week with Dory from Dory's Dollies.
Each month.
Yeah, each month with Dory from Dory's Dollies. And this month is Dress for the Weather and Tell Us About Your Weather. And it is warm enough to wear a short dress without a jacket. It actually has been getting pretty warm. Look at our grass. It has been raining. Well, that's the farmer's field growing up behind it. Our grass isn't that tall. We can't get out and mow. Well, two reasons. One, Darren's working on the mower, but it is so wet that our lawnmower would just get stuck. So that's our weather. What is your weather today? Yeah, we got a puddle here. Boy, it poured last night. We had a storm come through. What is your weather? And leave in the comments, did you join in today with Dolls Gone Goth? Dress for the weather and tell us about the weather. And don't forget that on the 18th of each month, we do, that's Dory and I, Dory's Dollies, we do Hi Barbie, and it's the same theme. So if you missed out today, grab your Barbies and tell us about your weather. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.